Welcome to the future of personal support and growth with our virtual chatbot.
This app of ours, Hearty Fellow, is specifically designed to support young people in navigating their personal and emotional challenges.
It combines advanced technology with a simple intuitive interface for the users to have safe and confidential conversation.
Whether you need someone to talk for practical advices or self-improvement, the virtual chatbot app is here to help. With a focus on compassion and understanding, it provides a non-judgmental outlet for expressing your concerns and working through challenges.
Many youngsters and teenagers experience a lot of difficulty to share their feelings. They don't feel it convenience to share it. Many of them have intense fear and anxiety, making it hard for them to face daily challenges.
Trust issues can stem from past experiences or relations, causing individuals to struggle with believing that others will keep their confidences and offer genuine support. This can also lead to isolation and difficulty in seeking help.
Some young individuals do have a fear of being rejected or judged. They don't have developed skills to communicate their thoughts or feelings. Even this can lead to overwhelming and to seek help from anyone.
We are excited to introduce our AI-powered virtual verbal robotic chatbot Hearty Fellow, which is designed to offer comprehensive support and guidance. Our AI chatbot ensures your privacy by keeping your conversation confidential and anonymous. It offers a compassionate ear, actively listening to your problems and providing you the emotional support.
The chatbots help you to develop and improve your social skills through guided interaction and constructive skills.
By providing a safe space to express your concern and offering helpful responses, Hearty Fellow is helping in reducing your mental stress and promoting overall well-being, giving insights and offer valuable support.
Introducing our innovation AI Hearty Fellow 24/7 resources. It is designed to help you anytime and anywhere at no charges. It will even help you in giving some valuable information such as mental health, career exploration, and it will also help you to develop your presentation skills.
Methodology refers to the structured approach or process used to design, define, and refine the product. It outlines the steps and strategies involved in achieving the desired outcome. So, the steps and strategies for Hearty Fellow are:
the AI model is trained using a dataset that includes common problems and concerns faced by youngsters. This dataset helps the chatbot understand and respond for the problems faced by them.
We have designed a user-friendly and intuitive interface for the app to ensure ease of use. The focus is on creating a simple, engaging, all-accessible layouts that enhances users' experiences and make interaction with Hearty Fellow smooth and effective. By evaluating the app's effectiveness, it offers a comfortable and confidential problem for youngsters.
It provides a range of helpful solutions and practical suggestions to address your needs and concerns, reliable support and guidance tailored to your needs.
We have utilized free open source software for development, leverages personal computer for coding and testing. These strategies ensures the comfortable and confidential chatbot for your help.
In our effort to create an accessible and effective AI chatbot, we are focusing on developing a minimum viable product using free resources to quickly and cost-effectively launch the app, design basic features, create UI, develop simple chatbot, and use free cloud hosting.